Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to see who saved your reel on Instagram in 2024. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Instagram app on your device. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now when you are on your profile, go to Reels section. For example, I will open this reel. So what I will do, I will convert my personal account into business account. First of all, tap on these three lines at the top. Now scroll down to account type and tools. Go to switch to professional account and tap on continue. Follow the directions given by Instagram. Select any one of these categories and tap on Done. Now select on Business Account, then tap on Next. After this, add or edit your information if you want to. Then tap again on Next. Now if you want to connect with Facebook, then tap on Login to Facebook, otherwise, skip this. Right now I am skipping it. Once you have done all these steps, you are on your business account. Now go to your reel and tap on View Insights. From here you can see who saved your reel. As you can see, one here saved my reel. This is how you can see who saved your reel on Instagram. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.